Experience a calming Japanese massage focused on Tsubo point breathing. This routine is inspired by traditional Japanese pressure point awareness. Tsubo points are specific areas connected to natural energy flow. The session begins with slow, deep breathing to relax the body. Gentle finger placement guides attention to key Tsubo points. Breathing is synchronized with each soft and mindful touch. Light pressure is applied without causing pain or discomfort. The rhythm remains slow, steady, and deeply relaxing. Tsubo point breathing helps release physical and mental tension. Each breath encourages balance between mind and body. Japanese massage emphasizes harmony and controlled movement. Short pauses allow energy and breath to settle naturally. This routine supports focus, calmness, and body awareness. The atmosphere stays quiet, warm, and comforting. Stress gradually fades with guided breathing and touch. Tsubo point breathing promotes grounding and inner clarity. This Japanese massage practice is ideal for mindful relaxation.